We organize numbers by place value. Here is a number, and you can easily see the number in the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds place. We can use place value as a way of organizing numbers for the main operations of mathematics. In this video, we'll be using place value to learn to add numbers. You first learned how to add numbers using counting. For example, in adding 5 plus 3, you could use a number line to count, like this. Here's 5, and then we count on from there to count by 3 spots. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Let's see how we can use place value to add numbers. Let's start with an example. One tray has 2 gems, and another tray has 3. Let's use place value to add the numbers. We line up the numbers in the ones place as you see here. You can use counting on to find the sum. Start at 3 and add 2 to get 5. This example shows the sum of two one-digit numbers whose sum is less than 10. But there are some basic addition facts that you should know to help you with addition. This is the sum of two numbers that add up to 10. There are 11 of them, and you should learn them by heart. We'll use a 10 frame to show the addition. In all cases, the sum of the one-digit numbers is the two-digit number 10. Let's start. 10 plus 0 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 0 plus 10 equals 10. This is a summary of these 11 addition equations. Learn these and they will help you when you're adding any numbers. Let's look at another example. For a party, there is a case of 24 sodas and a 12-pack. How many sodas are there in all? In this example, we are adding two two-digit numbers, 24 plus 12. So we line up the numbers so that the numbers in the ones place align, and so do the numbers in the tens place, as shown here. We start by adding the numbers in the ones place. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So we write 6 in the ones place for the sum. Next, we add the numbers in the tens place. 2 plus 1 equals 3, so we write 3 in the tens place. The answer is 36. Another way to add these numbers is to write them horizontally, like this. Next, we rewrite each number to show the number in the tens place and the number in the ones place. So 24 becomes 20 plus 4, and 12 becomes 10 plus 2. Combine the tens and the ones separately, as shown here. The result is 30 plus 6, which easily adds up to 36. Using place value, you can add the numbers vertically or horizontally. Let's look at a final example. There are 3 cookie sheets with cookies. How many cookies are there? There are sheets with 12, 10, and 10 cookies. Let's start adding by lining up the numbers vertically. Add the numbers in the ones place. Notice that with 2 zeros, the sum is 2. Then add the numbers in the tens place. The result is 3, and the sum of the 3 numbers is 32. Notice that this is also an example of counting by tens. When you add tens, the value in the ones place doesn't change. All that increases is the value in the tens place. Do you see why it's important to know how to make tens when adding numbers?